All right, y'all, welcome back to another trade recap. Today is May 5th, 2026. Today is a Tuesday. And yeah, as you'll see by the title, bruh, took another loss. Now, I don't know, bro, like this past month, ever since after I got my payout, price action has just literally shit the bed. I've barely been trading, and when I do typically find a trade, it ends up being a loss. Like I dead ass don't know what I'm doing wrong. I know it's the markets. Like I've been doing literally the same exact thing since I've been doing the past 9 weeks when I went on the green week, and now it's just like not working. And like I'm saying, that's part of the game. You know what I'm saying? Trading, you have the runs, you have the losses, and it also depends on price action. And price action has not been the best at all. We just keep pushing all time highs, no retracements. Um, and yeah, it's been fucking me over like bad. Like I'm literally, I'll go ahead and show y'all. I haven't shown y'all my trader baits in a little bit, but I literally have 500 left to draw down. $500 left to draw down. So that's probably about two trades left. And if I lose those, then these are cooked. So I'm not too upset about it. I already got a payout from these, so I'm not mad. But it just sucks. Like knowing that it has nothing to do with me and it's a price action. Like I've been taking the best possible setup that I can take, being patient. Avoiding the bad setups, and still like, it's just they're not working out, and there's nothing else I can say about it. But and that's the reason why I haven't been here. Like I said, just pricing hasn't been the best. I haven't been trading, so I've been taking like one, two trades, maybe max a week, and that haven't been the best. Last week I ended break even, and this week, it's my first trade of the week, and it's a loss. So who knows how this week can turn out? We still have 3 days left, so you never know. I could bounce back the rest of the week, but as of right now, I am down on the week, and it's just unfortunate. That it's just price action. Like I know it's just price action. Doing this for a while, we're at all time highs. And I'll get into it in this trade. This trade was literally 8 plus. I'll take this 10 out of 10 times any day, right? So let's go ahead and get into it. As you'll see right here, I went short today. And I know y'all may be wondering why I went short. We're at all time highs. Why are you going short? I'll go ahead and show y'all why. But yeah, I went short today. Got absolutely smoked. Like literally, not even no lick of take profit. As soon as I got in, straight drawdown. So it was one of those type of trades. But that being said, let's go ahead and get into it. So today, the reason why I was bearish is because simply, as you see, we have unfilled daily gap, all these stack lows, and no draws higher. That's pretty much it. Like that's pretty much it. Yeah, we were coming out of this 4 hour gap right here, trading coming out of this 4 hour gap, but like I said, there was no real draws for me higher, like at all. Like by the time we got up pre-market, we were already past all-time highs. So there's literally no draw. I thought after we reswept this high, we are gonna reverse back and at least sweep these lows and then go up higher, but we didn't. So yeah, we also did have an unfilled hourly gap down here as well. So I'll go ahead and go back for y'all so y'all can see where I took an L at. So 9 o'clock right here before this big candle. This is what I was seeing before, right? Unfilled hourly, all the two unfilled hourlies right here. London low, Asia low, previous day low. Also SMT at the highs. So everything was just pointing to me like, okay, I'm only going short today. There's no reason for me to go higher. SMT, bunch of stack lows, multiple higher time frame unfilled gaps. So I'm like, okay, yeah, we're going lower there. We're going short. That's all I'm targeting is short, right? So it's going to go down to 15 minute. Okay, I don't know why this shit went back up. Select bar. Okay, we were trading out of these 15 minutes. We kept pushing up 15-minute trade up, 15-minute. But like I said, I still wasn't even intrigued by it. Like even though we had these 15-minute gaps, I thought it open. We're just gonna maybe manipulate up and then go lower and take out all these stack lows that we have, all this liquidity down here. I thought we were gonna take, but we didn't. So let's go ahead and skip. What is this? 9 o'clock. Let's go and skip one more 15-minute candle. Boom. Okay, so 9:15. So now y'all are kind of seeing the gist of this trade I took now. So we had all these unfilled gaps, stack lows, SMT at the highs, higher time frame SMT. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not mad at this trade. This literally followed my rule to a T. It's literally A plus. Like if it wasn't a loss, it'd just be A plus. So this is going to keep skipping. Go to where I took my actual entry. So made a gap right here. I think it's right here, and then boom, I got in right here. This is my entry. Got up, boom, inverse, bang. Got in. Just had SMT at the highs. Boom. I was gonna go break even at this unfilled 5 minute right here, and I was gonna hold to the swing low, 930 low. That's it. Simple trade, right? I could have been greedy and gone for all the stack lows, London low, unfilled hourly, but I'm like, why even do that? I'm gonna take my bread and get out. But nope. We couldn't even get to the 5 minute for me to go break even. As soon as I got in, literally right back to drawdown, I got stopped immediately. So that was just the trade, right? Like I said, I'm not mad at it, right? Maybe I should have been bullish, but we're at all time highs. But even then, like I said, when I have no draw in the area I want to trade to, I'm not going in that direction. So like today, we're always be trending higher. We have no draws higher at all. Literally none at all. All time high, none. No draws that we're just going into who knows what, right? And I'm not me personally. I am not taking a trade like that. I'm not taking a trade into all time highs. For me, I had enough conviction for to go short. Like I said, SMT at the highs, unfilled hourly gap, three lows was London low, Asia low, previous day low. All these lows down here stacked, right? Go to the hourly. All these lows down here stacked. So I'm like, why would I want to be bullish when I have all these lows stacked and there's at higher time frame SMT? That's what I just don't get. So it is what it is. So it looks like I think we are going back down now, but it's too late now, bro. Like I already lost. I only lost $100, but I mean, it's just I'm not gonna trade this, bro. I'm not trading this. Like even this 2 minute right here, SMT still, as y'all see, SMT 2 minute inversion just to get stop rated, right? It's just this is with the common theme for the past month. Like it's shit like this. Like we're obviously people want to go short. The only draws are lower and shit like this happens. 2 minute inversion gets stopped. 1 minute inversion gets stopped. It's just silly stop rates like this that keep happening over and over again, and it's just because it's simply price action and where we're at in the market right now, where we're at in the economy in general, political wise, right? Trump's the war with Iran is causing stuff like this, and this is why like he needs to shut up. It's that simple. He needs to shut up and just let people trade. Like it's just bad. Ever since he got in office, it's just been bad. Like, and I hate being the type to complain about the political side because I'm not even big into that. But it's just like that's the reason. Like what? Like that's the reason why price action is the way it is right now. Like it's dumb. Like I don't know. I'm just upset about this loss for real because like something like this where it's so A plus and for me not like just to immediately get stop rated like that. I know it's A plus and I shouldn't be mad, but it's just like bro, when are we gonna get decent price action? This shit has been going on for way too long. Like way too long. Everybody's getting smacked, and it's just annoying at this point. It's really annoying. So yeah, I don't want to keep complaining. I can go on and on about this, but I don't want to keep complaining. I just want to bring out the trade that I took and the loss I took. And yeah, I have no complaints about this. What I can fix about this trade, nothing, in my opinion. Right? Had all my confluences, everything. It's just we're at all time highs, and we got shitty PA. Like there's nothing else I can say. So, I'm trying to think if I need to miss anything else. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. I will be back hopefully this week if we get another trade, because who knows, this might be my only trade this week because of how bad PA has been. But if I do get a trade, y'all see me again. But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and go follow me on TikTok. And yeah, that's all I got. I'll see you on the next one.